How to log in to CIBC online banking account. So if you want to log in to CIBC online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for CIBC online banking login. And here on the first search you will have CIBC online banking sign on. You can click on that, and now here if you scroll down on the first blank you have to enter your card number, and if you want to remember your card number, then you have to click on remember this card number, and then you don't need to enter the card number next time while you log in. And on the next blank you have to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you will have reset password option. You can simply click on reset password and then you can reset your password. But if you remember it, then simply enter your password, and then after entering the information you have to click on sign on, and that's the way to log in or sign in. But if you don't have an account or if you want to register, then you have to click on register now, or you can also click on register now, which is on the upper right corner, and then you can create your account. But if you want to log in, then simply enter your credentials and then you have to click on sign on, and that's it. That's the way to log in or sign into your account on CIBC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.